Greg's gonna go fast. Greg's gonna go fast. You want to come see the car? Yes. Oh my God. Let's go.
It's an absolute mess out here. The MR2 has no motor. It's a sad day. Mena's here. We had to fix stuff and delete a sunroof and do other things. Stop! Hi. Hello. Watch your fingers, that's gonna be sharp.
Yeah.
Mena's sunroof is now made out of a washing machine tub.
It's definitely thicker than what was at the store.
Yeah.
For $60.
Good cut.
Yeah, that was
Thank you.
fantastic.
Way to go.
I got 2 more to do.
What a 9-second downpipe look like.
Like this.
Get up close on that.
It's really high.
Show the really good welds.
Oh, yeah.
Up top.
Oh, wait.
Don't touch it, but yep, right there.
Right here? No?
No,
Oh.
those are average.
Oh, okay.
These booger welds right there, that's what is gonna run 9s.
That one has a hole in it.
Up here, Mena.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that's gonna run 9s?
That's gonna run 9s.
I'm ready.
Voila.
Brought the baddest. Smells like sex in here. Oh, great.
Am I on video?
Bye-bye, roof.
Looks nice from the inside.
It really does.
It's too bad.
Oh, wait. I really wanted to paint it. Lime green. Let's just drill the holes. And I'll put the rivets in after.
Okay, so it's gonna fly off.
Hey, let's wait. I'm gonna take off at 2450 and then it's 2,400 pounds. About right there. I think the battery's dying.
I don't think so. I think you need to push with your muscles. Yeah! Be angry with it!
Not with
Snap
your
the drill
move.
bit.
No, you're good.
Did it go through the car?
Yep.
No, it didn't.
No, did it?
No.
Oh.
You gotta go forward a little bit more.
Oh. Man, we are for sure idiots.
You! This
You
is
barely
you!
missed it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was right on the line. Dennis wearing a collared shirt.
He was definitely. He was for sure.
Not good at this YouTube thing.
I didn't know this was still a YouTube thing. How was? How was? Yeah, I told you. I freaking told you.
Yeah, we got a little bit of cutting to do.
A lot.
Just a little. It's a lot.
Done.
Whoa. It's not the best.
That is the best.
It'll work.
It will definitely work.
Makes it harder to tell it's a washing machine
It
side.
really does.
If we had more time, I'd dip it and clear it, but be a good time to tell you guys, me nor Mena have ever done rivets before, and they're pretty cool. Nope, it's still in there.
I was like, it's gonna come back and
we had one fly out like a bullet.
Yeah. Yeah, we have never done this before. Oh, these are the.
Yeah, I'm excited to see. So these two hold, this one and that one,
Yeah.
right? These two actually aren't anchored to anything underneath. So we're gonna see how this goes. No one will ever know.
No one.
I mean, it might still grab the lip
Oh, it
a
might.
little bit. I mean, it's better than nothing.
Nope.
Oh well.
I was gonna say yes.
Yeah, that
for the
turned out
camera
kind of cool.
film. It really did. It's like a big old business card.
Yeah.
Exactly. I didn't go.
Message Garage Idiots on Instagram for your custom sunroof deletes.
Dude.
I wish Greg needed one, but he doesn't have a
I
sunroof.
know. Should've just traded
Yeah,
it.
that's cool.
That's super
I want to
cool.
rivet everything now.
I know. Look at that.
Looks
It
so. It
professional.
looks very military-ish,
Yeah.
like rugged and
Looks like
semi-professional.
Something out of like
A professional shop.
a gas monkey garage.
Yeah.
He's gonna call us after we're done. And,
Yeah. After he sees this spray paint job and stenciling,
Oh my God, yeah, he's
plus rivets.
yeah. He's gonna be like, you guys can hide. Hey, you're gonna bend it.
I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the washing machine part.
Yeah.
That's the coolest one I've ever done.
It's the first one I've ever done.
Same. Okay, so now, okay, so this is done. Oh, yeah, we could do that too. That's gonna be obnoxious. Greg!
Oh yeah, man. I feel like I'm sitting in a can.
Yeah. It's louder. Oh, I was just going to tell you,
Yeah.
I don't know if I fixed it,
No.
but everything's welded.
Okay.
Again, in a big booger fashion.
As long as
I mean, I don't know. I went over all the spots that looked suspect.
that's crazy because that day so much smoke was coming out. You'd think the hole was like
Right.
that big. I guess a lot of air trying
So
to
this,
push
yeah.
out of a little hole.
So we made this super jank manifold. We did this super jank
Yeah,
cap that's not very efficient for flowing, and it was puffing some smoke out of the backside. So I just did what I do best and glopped some more booger on there, and we should be, except for that little. I'm gonna fix that.
I'm just gonna pull that way. Just kind of see how it like sounds and then put on the track.
Okay. Okay. So
Huh?
let's summarize what we did.
Oh.
Made that a downpipe, O2 bung, cut another hole in the hood, sucked this in. You like triple wrap that?
That's triple wrapped.
Okay.
Yeah.
Booger welded that, deleted the sunroof.
Yeah. Oh, you get it. Then we took a little bit of weight out of the car. Remember that was down there and over here.
Yeah.
Maybe like 100 pounds. We'll find out on Sunday.
100 pounds, then maybe an extra pound of boost from fixing that hole.
Maybe. Might go 10-0.
9999999.
Done.
99999.
9.
He's not supposed to be doing anything spicy. Make sure you brake before you kill it.